Imagine a small island where people have been digging for more than 200 years. Imagine a pit so dangerous that everyone who goes down either fails or never returns with the truth. Is there really treasure hidden deep underground? Or is Oak Island a trap built to protect a secret the world was never meant to know? Welcome back, everyone. Today we travel to the mysterious Oak Island in Nova Scotia, Canada, a place filled with rumors of pirates, ancient knights, secret engineering, deadly traps, and a treasure that has been hunted for more than 2 centuries. Let's uncover the mystery, piece by piece. In 1795, 3 teenage boys, Daniel McGinnis, John Smith, and Anthony Vaughan, were exploring the island when they found something unusual, a perfectly round depression in the ground. Above it, an old wooden pulley hung from a tree, as if someone had lowered something into the earth or pulled something out. The boys began digging. What they found changed history. Every 10 feet, the boys discovered a wooden platform. 10 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet. Why would someone build a shaft with layers of oak logs? At 90 feet deep, searchers found a mysterious stone tablet covered in strange symbols. When researchers later decoded it, the message reportedly said, 40 feet below, 2 million pounds lie buried. But the moment they dug deeper, the pit suddenly flooded with seawater, as if someone had built a trap specifically to protect whatever was buried below. Later, investigators discovered something unbelievable. Oak Island had artificial flood tunnels connected directly to the ocean. Whoever built the money pit created an engineered booby trap that activated automatically the moment someone dug too deep. Even today, engineers struggle to replicate a water trap system this complex. So, the biggest question is, who designed this? There are several major theories, and each one is more fascinating than the last. Theory 1. Captain William Kidd. Before his execution, Kidd claimed he hid massive treasure in a safe place. Some believe Oak Island is that place. Theory 2. The Knights Templar. The legendary knights disappeared with gold, artifacts, and secret documents in the 1300s. Some historians believe they sailed to North America and hid their treasures on Oak Island. The engineered trap is consistent with their advanced architectural skills. Theory 3. Spanish treasure fleet. The Spanish Empire carried tons of gold from the Americas, and historical records show several ships went missing. Some believe sailors secretly buried the treasure to hide it from enemies. Theory 4. Shakespeare's lost manuscripts. Yes, a surprising theory. Certain symbols found on the island match Renaissance-era encryption. Some researchers think Oak Island was used to hide royal or forbidden documents, possibly even Shakespeare's originals. Oak Island is not just mysterious, it's deadly. Over the last 200 years, 6 treasure hunters have died while digging. According to local legend, 7 must die before the treasure is revealed. Every team that tries to reach the bottom faces cave-ins, flooding tunnels, toxic gases, and mysterious accidents. Some say the island itself is cursed. Others say it's simply protecting something ancient. Today, with new technology, LiDAR, sonar, ground-penetrating radar, and metal detection, new evidence has emerged. Scientists found underground chambers, stone walls, man-made tunnels, oak and coconut fibers, not natural to Canada, fragments of gold and iron, and a large tunnel system connected to the sea. All of this confirms that something very large and very important was buried there. Because every time someone gets close, the island fights back. The flood tunnels refill, the shafts collapse, the water pressure becomes deadly. Even modern pumps fail. It's almost as if the entire structure was designed to keep people out no matter what. So, the question remains, is it treasure Is it a religious artifact, a historical secret, or something we cannot even imagine? Oak Island continues to be excavated. The truth is still buried, but one thing is certain. Whatever lies beneath this island was meant to stay hidden, possibly forever. Maybe someday, someone will reach the bottom, or maybe the island will keep its secret until the end of time.